Want to land your next automotive job? Here are 5 tips for creating a standout mechanic resume. Tip number 1. Start with a strong summary that showcases your experience and expertise. Tip number 2. List essential mechanic skills. Mention electrical troubleshooting, engine rebuilds, and fluid adjustments. Tip number 3. Highlight your hands-on experience, including the equipment you've serviced and your role in repairs. Tip number 4. Add certifications like ASE manufacturer training and any specialized programs. Tip number 5. Quantify your impact. Numbers like vehicles serviced per week and reduced downtime show your value. With these tips, your resume will prove you're ready to diagnose, repair, and keep things moving. Ready to build a standout resume? Start today with My Perfect Resume.